In this video, I will show you how to find Booking.com promo code. So the safest place to look for that is on the details page of Booking.com. So you can see right here that we have in here the top destinations with only around $10 or around $3 per night. So it's actually depending on to the actual destination, but you can see that they're actually really cheap and you can book them. So if you're looking for a promo code, you can head over to Groupon and then just choosing here your location as well if you see nearby. You can also close this one if you would like to, and we have the near exclusive advantage. For example, let's search in here for booking.com Groupon. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here some results for this one. So click onto the show all results in order to search for it. Now from in there, this will actually load in order to show you some promo codes available right now on booking.com. So what you can do is you can just head over and grab that and then head over to your actual booking.com in order to book your property.